and well, this is my Universal Yums unboxing for October 25.
Sorry, we're a little late.
Sorry we are a little late. Now, let's unbox what's the stock I'm bringing.
Just say let's unbox the box.
From the Birthday Capital County.
Slow down and enunciate.
It's from the country that looks like a boot, Italy.
Okay. Put it down. Put that over here. Jay, put that one over there. I'll move Papa Shango and Lando. And take each thing out. And then say what it is. Okay?
Okay.
Jeremy, read it.
No,
Jeremy. Jeremy. Jeremy.
Yes?
Just take the food items out and show it. I don't want to do like a 10-hour video because you're insisting on doing that. Okay?
Mommy Mia.
I'm not here for comedy, Jeremy. We have multiple videos and I just want to get this done, okay?
Okay. First we got Ralph Cosini Cazzano Pescano cheese flavored wheat puffs.
Will you show the bag, Jeremy?
I am.
Okay, we'll put it down then. Making this a lot longer than it has to be. Buy yourself and it would have taken twice as long.
Now, for the mini tea yums. I saw your favorite chili candies.
Yeah, I'm not eating those. You know I can't eat that kind of stuff.
Two favorite candies too. Next, Raffaellini Pansani Gummy Raspberry and Blackberry flavor.
Okay. Alright, put it down. I told you, Jimmy, you have to multiple years. You're making it so long as it has to be.
Next, Chili di Plagina Mr. Taliaco Giacomo Ito Organo Tomato and Oregano wheat wings.
Okay.
Now, Novi Poo milk chocolate bar with pistachio filling.
Okay.
The Montana tiramisu chocolate tiramisu cake.
Okay. Is that all?
Yeah.
Say goodnight, Jeremy.
Plus stickers. Good night, Jimmy.